Hi guys, this is Mrs. Nelson, and I am just enjoying a soda, and welcome to Opinion Writing. And I have a Coca-Cola here because it might be an interesting opinion piece. So, this is going to be your template for your opinion writing. And you're going to follow it very much like you did for the narrative writing. I think you'll really enjoy. Opinion writing is one of my favorite types of writing, right? Because everybody has an opinion. You have something you love, you have something you hate, you have things you're kind of meh about, okay? You love it, you hate it, and you want people to know about it, okay? You have things that you want to convince people about, like this soda, for example, is amazing. Or Coke, who would drink it? It's terrible, terrible stuff. It's bad for your health, okay? So you need to convince people. Opinions. Convince them. This direction, that direction. The president is convincing us all sorts of things. In that direction, in this direction. We all have opinions. You can't help it. And I want to know, what is your opinion? What are your thoughts on the world? If you cannot express your opinions, you will never get what you want. The person that argues the best, that has the best argument, that makes the best points, wins. So, the better you become at opinion writing, the better an arguer, the more people will go to your side. Because you can convince them one way or another. So now we're walking into the world of you need to convince me. You need to draw me in and make me feel one way or another if I don't already. I love opinion writing. I am so excited that you are going to be doing some opinion writing. Some of the standards we will be covering if you take a look down here. We are going to be looking at several standards. The 4.1a is you need to introduce your topic to me. You need to tell me what your opinion is. You need to make sure it's organized. It makes sense. And everything is grouped together. All the ideas are grouped together. You need to give me facts and details about why you think such a thing is possible. You need to link, that means you need to attach your opinion and your reasons with transition words right down here. And you also need to wrap up your opinion. You know, give me a reason. Give me your ending thoughts on that. Okay? Every good opinion, you need to introduce it, give all your reasons and your examples, and then wrap it all up so that I know exactly what you were trying to convince me, change my mind about. Okay? So, this soda could be the best thing, the worst thing. Personally, I love Coke. You might have to try to convince me otherwise. But let's get going on this so that you can pick a topic and start convincing me. Change my mind. Change my mind, change the world. How awesome is that? All right. Let's get going. I'll see you in a few minutes.